Hi kids, I'm Zookeeper Zipp, and this is our awesome dinosaur show. As always, I have my best friend Bruno with me. Say hi, Bruno.
Brock, hi Bruno.
Today's show isn't about a dinosaur.
Brock, it's a tiger.
That's right, Bruno. It's a Saber Tooth Tiger. Let's use the time simulator and see what one looks like.
Brock, super cool.
They are cool, Bruno. The Saber Tooth lived in the last ice age, 12,000 years ago. The Saber Tooth was a carnivore.
Brock, eats me.
That's right, Bruno. They hunted large herbivores, like horses and camels. They were known for their 8-inch canines.
Brock, you have canines.
That's right, Bruno. Humans have canine teeth, too. The saber-tooth had a weak bite and a mouth that opened twice the size of a modern-day tiger.
Brock, big mouth.
That's funny, Bruno. The saber-tooth, or Smilodon, lived in North and South America. Fossils were found in La Brea tar pits in Los Angeles, California.
Brock, short tail.
That's right, Bruno. They had short bobtails, which made them great jumpers. Though they weren't as strong as modern-day tigers, they had loud roars, even louder than today's big cats. The saber-tooth wasn't related to modern-day big cats. They were their own species. Saber-toothed tigers were about 3 feet, or 1 meter tall, and 5.5 feet, or almost 2 meters long. They weighed about 400 kilograms, or 880 pounds.
Brock, big cat.
It is, Bruno. The saber-tooth were known to hunt in packs, like wolves.
Brock, uh-oh.
The T-Rex is back.
Brock, he's after us, Zip.
Wow, Bruno, we can't get away from him.
Brock, scary.
Okay, kids, that ends today's show, but we'll be back next week with more dinosaurs and more learning fun. Say bye, Bruno.
Brock, bye, Bruno.
Pie.